Hello, and welcome to this introductory video for the ICA International Certificate in Anti-Money Laundering Awareness. This short guide will take you through the key elements of the programme, what it entails, and the benefits you will receive upon becoming certificated. The International Certificate in Anti-Money Laundering Awareness is an introductory programme designed to give you an understanding of the key concepts and ideas around anti-money laundering. The course has been developed by experienced industry practitioners, bringing together first-hand working backgrounds to provide you with world-leading, detailed, up-to-date course materials, as well as extensive online support material and additional readings. The International Certificate is a 3-month part-time programme, which allows time to digest the materials provided and also comprises a 1-day interactive workshop led by an industry-recognised thought leader. As with all ICA qualifications, we use an integrated learning approach to maximise your experience, as well as having the course quality assured by the University of Manchester Business School, validating our teaching and academic standards alongside our vocational attributes. The programme will provide you with a unique set of viewpoints from which to develop your knowledge and understanding, increasing your skills base and adding to your ability in the workplace. As well as reducing the reputational and financial risk for your employer, this certificate can help you develop in your career within your chosen field. For organisations, this programme can help to create a culture of protection against money laundering and other white-collar crimes, developing fundamental ideas around economic crime prevention and strengthening ideas in the working environment. The programme consists of a core module as well as specialist modules covering specific topic areas. The core module looks at basic principles around anti-money laundering, including anti-money laundering laws and guidelines, and identifying anti-money laundering activities. We take an in-depth look at tipping off and how to avoid this, as well as analysing the differences between the linked but not identical areas of money laundering and terrorist financing. We will also explore politically exposed persons and the added risk they bring from a money laundering perspective. The Trust and Company Specialist module will look at the developing and increasingly complex area of corporate and trustee services. Recent years have seen a growth in the proliferation of such services and heightened scrutiny due to the added risk they place on the financial services sector. The Specialist module on banking will explore the vulnerabilities within the traditional banking system, including retail bank accounts and other banking services offered on a customer level. The modules will also take a look at private banking, a geographically shifting market segment that carries a variety of different and not always obvious risks. The Insurance and Investment Business Specialist module will take a closer look at the various forms of insurance companies, as well as investment funds, investment management services, and securities companies. From an economic crime and anti-money laundering perspective, we will also delve into the bonus-driven work environment and the heightened risk this places on the financial sector. The Specialist module on management will look at anti-money laundering with a focus on the culture around risk and compliance, the resources needed to successfully embed the correct attitude and ideas in your workforce. We will look at formulating policy and procedures to minimise money laundering activity and how management can take an active role in enforcing and enhancing ideas in your organisation. The final specialist module will focus on the gaming sector, looking at online betting and gambling as well as land-based casinos and the unique risks associated with these operations. As well as looking at the anti-money laundering requirements, we will also spend time on the risk-based approach to customers and due diligence on your clientele, as well as looking at ways to identify suspicious activity in the gaming sector. As an introductory level qualification, the International Certificate in Anti-Money Laundering Awareness is an essential course for all employees in anti-money laundering, KYC, due diligence, fraud, financial crime and compliance roles from all industry sectors, as well as those aspiring to work in this field. All employees of financial services firms will gain knowledge and exposure to new ideas through this certificate. All delegates on the certificate course need a good level of English, across reading, writing and the spoken elements, as well as a sound educational background, such as a diploma or equivalent qualification. For information on course dates, application procedures, detailed content guidelines, or general details on this or any other ICA programs, contact us using the details provided. If there is information you would like, get in touch and see how we can help you today. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on our next intake of the ICA International Certificate in Anti-Money Laundering Awareness.